everyone. Hope all of you are safe in taking care of yourself and your family. My name is Amisha, and I'm going to be one of the facilitators for your webinar on enhancing eloquence, which is on 15th of May at 4 p.m. I think at this times when we're working from home, eloquence, communications is a very critical part of keeping us healthy and active. What do you think? Want to hear your thoughts? Want to hear what are your views on this? At the upcoming webinar, which is organized by eCell ADIT. So looking to meet all of you wonderful people at the webinar. Thank you.